Hi to all my friends, and today I want to show you this DeWALT cordless air compressor in action. But first let's look at its amazing size and build quality, by the way. It's perfect. Everything protected, comfortable to use, good materials, anti-vibration protection, and it's not heavy. I like it. But the main question is about power. Is it enough to work with this bread nailer, for example? So let's check it out. So we're interested in air consumption with every shot, and we're interested in the maximum speed of the nailer working with this air compressor. Let's start. As you can see, one shot in a second is fine for this compressor. And yes, I was using 2-inch nails. If you like this type of content, please hit like button.